Somewhere in Sant'Ada Bolognese, behind closed doors and under armed secrecy, engineers have been putting the final touches on a machine that could redefine what the word Lamborghini truly means. A car so advanced, so emotionally violent, that the moment you hear it ignite for the first time, your hands will shake before you even touch the wheel. This is the Lamborghini Temerario, and if you skip this video, you will miss information that could completely change how you see the future of supercars forever. Welcome back to VELOCE Drive, the channel built for people who don't just watch cars, they feel them in their bones. If you love raw power, obsessive Italian engineering, and machines built right on the edge of insanity, hit that subscribe button right now, because today we're going deep into a car that Lamborghini itself calls the beginning of an entirely new era. The Temerario isn't just a replacement for the Huracan. It's a declaration of war against comfort, against compromise, against everything the industry says a supercar has to be in this new electrified age. Every single line on this body has been sculpted with aggression in mind, sharp creases cutting through the air like a blade forged for one purpose only, dominance. The front end sits low and hungry, almost predatory, while the rear haunches flare out with a confidence that dares you to look away. But here's the part that will really get under your skin. Lamborghini has done something with this car's aerodynamics and structure that no one saw coming, something that fundamentally changes the entire driving experience from the second you sit down. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will know exactly what that is. Underneath that razor-sharp, almost violent body lies a heart unlike anything Lamborghini has ever built before. A twin-turbocharged V8 working in perfect harmony with electric motors, producing a combined output pushing well past 900 horsepower. Numbers like that don't just move a car forward, they rewrite the entire language of acceleration. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour arrives in a blink, faster than your mind can process what's happening, and top speed climbs into territory that most road-legal machines can only dream about in silence. But raw speed alone isn't the real story here. It's how this car makes you feel in that exact fraction of a second when the turbos spool up and the electric torque instantly fills every gap, a sensation so seamless, so brutally immediate, that your heartbeat can barely keep pace with the machine beneath you. Step inside, and the emotion doesn't fade for even a moment, it intensifies. A cockpit-style cabin wraps tightly around the driver, aggressive, focused, yet strangely intimate, like the car is whispering that this experience belongs only to you. Every screen, every switch, every stitch on the seats feels like mission control for something engineered to conquer both racetracks and chaotic city streets with equal confidence. And just when you think you finally understand this car, Lamborghini reveals another layer beneath the surface: hybrid intelligence systems, adaptive torque vectoring, electronics working silently in the background to make you feel like an absolute hero behind the wheel, even on days when you're far from your best. Now let's talk about how this beast handles the road, because horsepower without control is nothing but noise. The suspension has been engineered to walk an impossible tightrope between brutal track performance and everyday livability, soaking up imperfections while still allowing the car to communicate every ounce of grip through your fingertips. Corners that once felt intimidating in lesser machines suddenly feel like an invitation, the Temerario dancing through apexes with a precision that almost feels unfair to every rival watching from behind. Safety, too, has evolved dramatically for this new generation. A reinforced carbon hybrid structure protects the cabin like a fortress, paired with next-generation driver assistance systems that quietly work to keep you alive even when your right foot has other plans. It's proof that Lamborghini hasn't sacrificed responsibility on the altar of pure emotion, they've simply found a way to have both. But here's the real question, the one that's been building silently since the very first second of this video. Is the Temerario simply an evolution of what came before, or is it the exact moment Lamborghini quietly declares war on everything we thought we understood about supercars in this hybrid era? Stay with me, because what happens next in this story will completely change your perspective on where performance cars are truly headed. And let's not forget the price of admission into this new era. Early estimates place the Temerario well into six-figure territory, positioning it as a direct, ferocious rival to the world's most advanced hybrid supercars. Yet somehow, even before full details emerged, whispers from dealerships suggest allocation lists are already filling fast, collectors and enthusiasts alike refusing to be left behind in automotive history. So here is the truth, delivered without exaggeration. The Lamborghini Temerario isn't just another car launch. It's a turning point, a moment future generations will look back on and ask where they were when Lamborghini proved passion and technology could finally coexist without losing an ounce of soul. If you skip this video, you will miss information that could shape exactly how you look at the next generation of supercars forever. This isn't just a reveal, it's history unfolding in real time, and VELOCE Drive is here to make sure you never miss a single second of it. So tell me honestly in the comments below, are you Team V8 hybrid power, or do you still believe nothing on this earth beats a naturally aspirated Lamborghini soul? Like this video, share it with someone who needs to see it, and subscribe to VELOCE Drive, because the story of the Temerario is only just beginning, and trust me, you do not want to miss what comes next.